Hey guys, it's Wendy Mac. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. We're doing another unboxing with Ranger ink. Got this order. It took about 5 days to receive it. Um, it's a part of a huge clearance sale again they were having, um, and I actually got a free gift, which I don't ever remember receiving before. It was just a pop up. Said, "Here, you want this as a free gift?" And so, yeah, sure, why not? But this order was like $32 with $6 shipping and handling. So, an amazing deal. Anyways, here we go. Dina Wakley Collage Words Pack number 2. Fun tissue, great for putting on anything. We got our coloring sheets, dilutions. This is our collection too. I got them all. And then a letter pack. Let's make quick cards for $1. I was going to pass them up. Celebration sentiment pack. These are typical 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. You get 12 of them, 2 of 6 designs. Here's another one. It's greetings. But here, these are so cute. I'm definitely going to make a monsters journal. This is Dilutions Me Monsters die cuts. And here is her me houses. And here's some fun Dina Wakley media chipboard shapes. The women. And here we go. This is Dilutions Couture stamp. A walk in the park as a cute little sentiment, and 2 adorable dresses and some hats. Um, definitely, definitely see using it in a vintage Hollywood journal. Look at this huge stamp. Macy. There's 2 stencils in there, silhouette stencils. One is like twice the size as the other one. Definitely for a book cover, or a huge tag for if you're going to use the smaller one. And here's the little bitty things that we got here. We got some glass glitter. This is the chartreuse color, which actually looked a lot like gold to me. I think these are like $1 a piece. These is the sky blue, no label, but pretty anyways. And then up next, this is just the pearl powders. It said quick cure clay, but it's just like the regular pearl powders. $2 a piece. And this stuff right here, this is the max. This is the mixed media ice resin, tarnished bronze. And then this was like a relic powder, really pure, pretty platinum color. Not really the mixed media-ish, but still use it. And this is amethyst. It's like the purple. And then here we go. This is shimmer spray. So we're going to try that out and see if it's anything like her opaque, regular white spray. And this is our free paste, Astro paste from Simon Hurley. It's supposed to be transparent, so a lot of cool resist effects on that. So we'll see. But anyways, thanks again, you guys, for coming by and doing this unpacking with me. And I look forward to seeing you next time.